Yo, I think we're live. Wait, let me check. Let me make sure we're live. Um, if we are live, thank you for watching. So this stream is gonna be going over the CoffeeZilla versus techlead beef, which I recently found, and it's funny to me. It's basically two YouTubers beefing over crypto, and I'm not really sure. I'll be honest, I'm not really sure if techlead, if his like coin was a scam, and we'll get into all that in a second. But CoffeeZilla basically calls him out for a crypto scam, and so I'm gonna be reviewing both sides of the issue during this stream. But a couple things before I get started. So number one is I started posting recap videos because people were telling me that basically the streams, like the rewinds, are pretty much unwatchable. So if you are if you're watching this as a rewatch, you can watch this one, but I'll also be putting out like edited recaps that are just like nicer to watch. Okay. Next thing is, so on Friday, that's I think 127. I think so because I posted on my Snap 127. I'm gonna be doing a 12-hour stream, so yeah, join that stream. It's gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna try to like code. What else am I going to do? Probably play realzoo, probably react to some stuff, and then just like talk to chat and like see whatever like chat wants to do. I'll probably cook too. There'll be some like cooking stuff. Oh yeah. Last thing is I have a meme contest. It's in my Discord, so join the Discord if you're not in the Discord. But there's like a meme contest, and winner gets $100. And yeah, if you just like join the Discord and then in the memes channel, post your meme, and then yeah, number one meme wins $100. So yeah, join that. Okay, I think we probably just start talking about the beef now. Hold on, I just gotta find OBS. So the thing is, I used to watch techlead like back when I started coding, and I think a lot of people did too. If you don't know, techlead is a YouTuber and yeah, crypto guy. I mean, more recently a crypto guy as like people start getting into crypto. But he's known for crazy titles and calling himself a millionaire, which I think he actually is a millionaire. Like as far as I know, I don't think that's like fake or anything. But yeah, he just talks about like crypto, this sort of stuff. And CoffeeZilla, another YouTuber, who basically what CoffeeZilla does is he goes over like scams and stuff like that, and talks about like people who did crypto scams. He got really popular recently for talking about Logan Paul, which makes sense. Logan Paul just had like the whole crypto thing. That's kind of why I started like playing realzoo was based off that. But yeah. So here, I'll show you guys CoffeeZilla too, another YouTube channel. So kind of where the beef starts is I think CoffeeZilla starts by going on Lex Friedman's podcast. If you guys know who Lex Friedman is, he's some guy who like works at MIT. He's a podcaster, kind of like comes from like the Joe Rogan like group of people, kind of. CoffeeZilla techlead. By the way, this is a start page. By the way, it's like Google. You get like Google results, but it's end-to-end encrypted, so I really like it. But yeah. So there's a stream. There's basically a clip. It's I think CoffeeZilla on Grifters, where he's on the Lex Friedman podcast, and he basically calls out techlead for being a grifter. Hold on. CoffeeZilla on Grifters, and it's this clip right here. So we're gonna watch this clip. And yeah. Let's see. And I think the funniest thing to me is techlead's response, where he just absolutely claps back at him. I don't know if he actually is a scammer. Like, bro, that's bad. Like, probably shouldn't scam your community. But the clapback was literally so funny. Also, if this is the clip, the Lex Friedman clip that he reacts to, this is not even like posted by CoffeeZilla. I'm just noticing that because techlead's video, I'm gonna go back and find it here. Yeah, it's right here. I started watching it, and then I was like, okay, this is probably better to react to on stream. But what I noticed is like he calls out Lex Friedman, but this might not even be posted by Lex Friedman, so this could be taken out of context. Anyways.
And fraudsters and gurus and so on. That's a good question. So, I think one of them is that.
By the way, I do want to say, like, I'm a fan of CoffeeZilla because I really hate gurus and just internet gurus in general, because I don't know. It's just like if you try to go find information about like how to start a business, if you're like interested in that kind of thing, there's just so many people ready to like take your money on some like get rich quick stuff. And even like the community that I'm in, like I'm part of this other community called Indie Hackers. Basically people who just talk about, starting like little SaaS businesses and stuff like that. There's so many people who are part of this community that are just absolute grifters. And it just sucks because like if you try to follow like their advice, you kind of end up falling down like the grifter path yourself. It's weird. It's just like, yeah. Like for example, like this business right here. I mean, I'm not saying it's like a bad SaaS or anything. Like, what they do isn't terrible. This is like a tool that helps you like collect feedback. It's interesting, but like the thing is like, is that really very useful? Like, couldn't you just use like a Google form? I don't know. Maybe it is more powerful. Yeah. But Indie Hackers is cool though. I mean, I've been like following it for a while. But anyways, yeah, back to the video.
There's this systemic problem that the phrase "there's a sucker born every minute" is very true. There's.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn the volume up.
No end to the people who will fall for something like this, and the problem is because there's just no end to need and want and just lack. I mean, it's easy to, on the one hand, criticize people's greed, but a lot of times you have to put yourself in their shoes. If you're at a dead-end job, you have nothing going for you, you don't have the money to go to college, you don't want to get in debt, fair play, where do you go, right?
This is a good point. And it's also like the sad truth of it also is like if you really do like want to level up, I guess, whatever that means to you, if you do go to college, like it's not like you're gonna like unlock some secret sauce that'll allow you to do that. Like the only thing you can really do, I think, is just get hard skills, maybe. Shit, but I don't know, bro. See, I don't want to be like talking like I'm some kind of guru because I'm definitely not. But yeah, that's the thing is like, bro, it's just like tough. It's just like a tough position to be in. It's the position I'm in, where it's just like you don't have like enough skill. But yeah, anyways. So I feel like I agree with what CoffeeZilla is saying. He hasn't really said anything about techlead either yet. Oh shoot.
Want, thin job, you have nothing going for you. You don't have the money to go to college. You don't want to get in debt, fair play. Where do you go, right?
Right.
As you said, there's somebody who's there saying they believe in you. They believe you can make six figures. You're gonna believe in that. And so
what is the obsession people have with six figures? I don't get that, but
I really felt like it made a lot more sense to tackle it from the other side, from the side of people that can stop, that can basically be exposed and basically be have sort of like a negative put on their work. I mean,
okay.
Largely going under the radar. So I kind of felt like, do you want to educate? Do you want to like blame it on the victims and say you should have known better, you should have done this, you should stop?
To some extent, yes.
But there's
bring controversial opinion, like, and I really don't mean to hurt people's feelings. Bring back some level of victim shaming. Like, bro, if you spend, I've said it before, like, if you spend all your money on a picture of an ape and it goes bust, you need to really look yourself in the eye and be like, what was I thinking? Now, I had to shut down Easy Right. It was my Chrome extension. So I'll give an example of like when I had to also kind of do that. It's just like if you base your entire business on one API, it's gonna fail. If it's publicly available, like it cannot, like that's not like enough. So I don't know. It's just like, yeah, if you try to get rich quick, you're gonna go broke quick. It's kind of like I think what's going on with this, but anyways.
There's no end to that, or you go after the grifters themselves, and so that's what I realized. I realized like that's the tactic. that I went with.
Okay. So he never mentions techlead once in this video. But here's techlead's response, and it's crazy. Like techlead, he came like.
So somebody that's been criticized for MLM type schemes is Andrew Tate.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Yeah. techlead comes. He brings the fire, I would say, in this response. Let's see. Yeah, he definitely doesn't come like, I don't know. He comes crazy. Like even like the title of this video, I don't want to say it on YouTube. techlead M-worded me. Like that's crazy. Like to think like this dude used to work at like Facebook and stuff is nuts.
The following are my thoughts on Lex Friedman. He is a podcast host, sociopathic narcissist, a creep and lurker, the height of pompousness and pretentiousness, and sometimes he likes to pretend to work at Google.
Does Lex Friedman work at Google? Why did I think he does? I know he works at MIT. Does Lex Friedman work at Google? Bro, that's so funny. Like the thing is also, who would buy techlead's course though? I'm really curious. He has something called Tech Interview Pro. I wonder if people actually legit buy this stuff. He's got a course. Enrollment is open now. Get started right away. This is like, I mean, in defense of coffeezilla, this is like on some level. This is on some level like a grifter tactic. Now techlead, don't come for me. All right, this is just a joke. Don't come for me. But on some level, this is grifting, bro. You're shilling a course where all this information is publicly online. All right, like that's just true. Now, compiling it is also publicly online too, right? You can just find a website that has all this information in this course. I've never taken this course, but I know for a fact all this information is available for free online. How to pass a coding interview. It's not that hard. Not the interview part. The interview part is hard. That's hard. I'm talking about finding the information is not that difficult. So on some level, yeah, this is a grift. Like, but then again, I'm of the opinion that selling knowledge is low-key a grift. So I kind of feel like college is a grift. I put out a TikTok on it on why I think it's a grift. So on some level, I agree with coffeezilla, but that's not to say that he's like an outright scammer. Like I'm not saying you can't get value out of taking this. Like you can definitely get value out of taking this course, but on some level, yeah, I kind of agree with coffeezilla. But let's go back to see what techlead had to say.
An ex-Google engineer, the tech lead, and now, dear friends, here are my thoughts on Lex Friedman. This isn't funny. This is serious.
techlead's funny, bro.
Lex Friedman molested me the other day. Yeah, that's right. So I did not want to make a video about this, but the truth had to come out. There I was minding my own business, surfing YouTube.
Okay.
I found a video thumbnail with my face on.
coffeezilla on grifter. See, I wonder if he took it down because, like in the other video that we were watching, like just before this, that was not from the coffeezilla channel. So I'm curious if coffeezilla like took it down. I guess I could go back and see. It had been December 12th. Yeah, let's go back and see really quick. I want to know if Lex Friedman took it down. Let's see if this was from Lex Clips or from his main channel.
Minding my own business, surfing. Make a video about this.
It was from.
There I was minding my own.
Okay, it's from Lex Clips, and it would have been December 12th, I think. So just hit videos. Like Lex Friedman raking it in. I don't know, bro. I feel like at this point, if coffeezilla's gonna call techlead a grifter and techlead calls coffeezilla a grifter, aren't like on some level aren't YouTubers grifters? Like let's be honest here, bro, including me. Like how much value, like what's the actual like value add of YouTube? I don't know. Mr. Beast isn't a grifter, but I don't know. It's like the Spider-Man meme. Like I feel like on some level they're just pointing back at each other. But okay, so December 12th. Let's see if we get dates here really quick. that would have been 4 weeks ago. How many weeks ago was December 12th? Like, what, 40 days ago? Oh, I'll just use Command F. Grifters. Okay, I think he took it down. I actually do think he took it down. All right, whatever. All right, let's see.
A video thumbnail with my face on there, in which Lex Friedman said that
We'll just assume he added up at the time.
Is this a complete violation of my copyrights using my face without my permission here?
All right, the first thing is, like, I remember watching this like a couple hours ago. This is using someone's face in a thumbnail is not a copyright violation at all. It's like if you're talking about someone that's in nature transformative. So yeah, this is just complete cap by techlead.
In order for him to profit in a commercial manner, but it is defamation.
No, that's cap.
You're bad-mouthing my name with what proof? What conviction is there that I'm a grifter and this is destroying my reputation, my credibility online? You know, there's something to be said about someone who does.
It's funny how you could tell techlead himself like doesn't even really care. It's just funny to me.
Up in a tuxedo suit in every single conversation podcast that he's trying to have, elevating his status as if he's better than the rest of us. Talking in this slow, smooth, deep voice as if he's the voice of God. Sit back down. Know your place in society. You're no better than the.
Bro, it's funny to me because like they're both like, I don't know, they both do like the exact same thing. It's just like. It's like when comedians call each other out. It's like, all right, bro.
The rest of us, what a narcissistic sociopath. And that's saying something coming from one such as myself, the ex-Google millionaire. You know, Lex Friedman, and I like some of his podcasts, okay, chose violence that day.
Let's go to the comment section after this. I want to see what people are saying. Also, I'm going to check Reddit too.
When he woke up and decided to criticize me, take a look at this tweet. He said, if you look for a reason to hate a person, eventually you'll find it. I guess he found it. Right? He decided to hate me, and he chose that path of violence. And then he says, well, if you...
I don't think coffeezilla said anything about hating techlead. He just called him out for being a grifter.
For a reason to celebrate a person, eventually you'll find it too. Well, yeah, why don't you celebrate me? What the...
All right. I did some, I guess on this point, I did some reading about techlead. And I think what was something that was really interesting about him is that, so before, you know, all the crypto stuff, all the tech stuff, he was, one of the early people who was part of like the app revolution. So if you don't know about like the history of the web or whatever, after like 2001, which was like the first internet wave, and then whatever, I don't know, there was like the first boom. The second boom was like the mobile revolution. So you can think like 2013 to like 2015 kind of, where there's just like a huge boom in mobile computing. So techlead apparently when he was like 25 was like part of that boom, and I guess helped create a whole bunch of like really popular apps for himself, and that's kind of how like he became a millionaire before. So that is like, I don't know, in my mind as like someone who's like part of like the indie hacker community or whatever, we tend to celebrate successful entrepreneurs. So I would say that, yeah, that's a reason to like be like, all right, W techlead. Now, that doesn't mean that this course is something that you should go buy. I'm not saying go buy his course or that he's like, you know, W techlead or whatever, but that's at least something that's like I would say that's like good about what he's done. I'm gonna try to find I'm gonna see if I can find like his Wikipedia or something. It'll talk a little bit more about like the apps that he made, because it was like pretty interesting, at least from what I was reading. Career, worked at Google, blah blah blah. So talking about his videos. Let's see if we can find where he talks about his app. May 27th techlead analysis. Here's a tweet later deleted about women in tech. Oh, the women in tech tweets were crazy. I read what he was saying. That was whatever. I don't know if he was trolling, then that's kind of funny, but I'm pretty sure he wasn't. I don't know. Yeah, his wiki doesn't talk about his apps that he made. techlead. Let me see if I can find mobile apps. So we can find some of the apps that he made. I think it was can't remember if it was a game. Yeah, we already know apps are dead. Why not build your app idea? Why I won't build your app idea? Blah blah blah. Truth about app development, how it changed. Yeah, I don't know if app development is like dead, but it definitely seems to be like oversaturated. I don't know. Let's see if I can find it. Patch San Francisco Bay Area. All right. I can't find the article. That's okay. Yeah, we'll just go back to watching the video.
Hypocrite, the height of hypocrisy here. The former leads to resentment and destructive cynicism, creating people to hate, and then he would be out of a job.
The funny thing is, I was more worried about this as like an issue. I put myself out of business.
And that the whole reason he started this whole YouTube thing was because he wanted to make money fast. That's coffeezilla.
You're doing this engineering stuff. That's great. You're gonna make like $70K a year. Don't you want to get like rich now? Like, so I'd go show up to a hotel.
Okay, and Lex Friedman goes around praising this guy who has, I mean, coffeezilla has never celebrated another human being in his life. And like,
That's not true. But it's funny though.
Lex Friedman says, well, coffeezilla is one of the world's best journalists. Weak men, okay, like Lex Friedman, hiding behind this shield, trash-talking people behind their backs without giving them a chance to respond. These weak men praise the critics, who in their cold and timid souls shall never know victory nor defeat. You know the man in the arena?
Yeah, all right. So I watched this video earlier. He kind of goes on some like weird MGTOW rant, like men going their own way rant, which I don't know. I guess that's just his opinion. I'm just going to skip it because it's kind of random, but...
To like him, and yet...
Trying to call you out in your bullshit, because I hope I'm somebody you can trust. That's it.
I can trust you.
But it hurt when you said you don't trust me. You kind of lost me. I don't think anyone's ever said that to me. Maybe I'm just being a man.
All right. I feel like that's enough of techlead's response. I'm gonna see if coffeezilla has like another video on techlead, and also I really want to know more about his coin, because apparently he has like some kind of like, I think it's called millionaire token, and if that doesn't sound like a scam, bro, if you're buying a coin literally called millionaire token, like, I don't know, are you asking to get scammed? Maybe. Anyways, I don't know. I want to see like what, maybe he has like a Discord community or something. I can go ask about it, go find out more. But yeah, let's see. So coffeezilla, techlead, yeah. Techlead is funny though. Like, I'm probably gonna watch more techlead videos later. I think it, like his like sarcastic style, is funny. It's funny to me. Let me see. Techlead scammed you, million token as a millionaire. Yeah, maybe I'll react to this video. Here, I'm gonna open this. See, like when you post stuff like coffeezilla belongs in jail, I got him to admit to fraud, it makes me really like question like whether or not like, you know, you're the one doing fraud, because coffeezilla is not on any level of, like, he doesn't have any level of fraud to him, I don't think, as far as I could tell. If you think like all he really, like the only way he monetizes his video, I think, is just Patreon. I don't think he has sponsors anymore, but I could be wrong about that. But yeah, he mostly just does Patreon. Also, how many patrons does he have? I wonder. I'm gonna check. I want to know how much he makes a month on Patreon. Patreon. Let's see. Coffeezilla, creating an investigating journalism through the future in a futuristic dystopia. All right. Maybe it's part of his like shtick or something. $5 a month Patreon. He doesn't have any other levels. I should join this. I'm curious, like, what else does he have? Responding to Logan Paul, Patreon only. Okay. And Patreon itself is not like, that's not a grift. I wouldn't say. I would say, like, if you want to get more of someone's content, like, this is fair enough. I don't know. Creating investigative journalism in the futuristic dystopia. Huh. I don't know. It doesn't say how many. I think there is a Patreon analytics website where I can check. We can see how many viewers you have set up. Analytics for Patreon page. No insights. I forgot the website. How many patrons does coffeezilla have? Let's check. Let's see. coffeezilla Patreon subscriber creator statistics. Yeah. Is it this website? No. Not this one. coffeezilla on Twitter. Oh yeah. It's called Graphtreon. It basically has like, it has stats. Okay, 25. No. Search creators. Okay, coffeezilla. Let's see. Okay, let's check. 631st, 23,000. Patreon wars. Estimated earnings. Okay, he's not making $3 a month. That's not right. It's definitely not that. All right, enough pocket watching. Enough pocket watching coffeezilla. I'm just curious though. That doesn't make sense. Why would he only have like 100 patrons? Oh, per patron's earning $250. 82 patrons seems not right. That doesn't seem right.
Million token is
I would imagine he would have like 500 patrons, maybe, if not way more than that. Like bro, the setup. Let's see if OBS is still going. I knocked over my. Okay, so that's unplugged. All right. We're live. Let's see. Also, 12-hour stream on Friday. I will be live like pretty much the whole day, I think. From 1 to 1. Okay. Jeez. I've literally no idea what I was saying. Completely forgot. Also, after this, I think I'm gonna be testing out what's it called? Svelte. I started building with it yesterday. I did the basic like create Svelte app, so I'll probably do that once we get like through like a little bit more. I'll have some kind of conclusion. I guess the conclusion will be is Million Token a scam? Let's find out.
literally $1 million opportunity. I'm putting $1 million of my own money into this to get it started, but this coin can skyrocket in price. We're off to a great and explosive start. Over 10x
Okay.
within just the first week. Well, this is the moonshot token that you're looking for.
It's never possible to tell if techlead is being serious because he talks in the same tone no matter what. He's very like, it always sounds like a little bit sarcastic. Like he's like, I put $1 million of my own money into this. And it's like, all right.
And you guys, I mean, this must be one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies at launch. We're going into the history books for this one, guys.
Okay.
Let's talk about techlead's Million Token. What is it? What does it do? Who's it helping? I'm going to walk you through all.
That's a good question. Who is it helping? Who is like, God damn it, I need Million Token.
How much money techlead has made with this coin? And the answer is millions of dollars. All from a coin
What?
that, in my opinion, is a collect
He's made millions of dollars. People have put millions of dollars into this. That's crazy.
ever, but massive scam. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the $10 million studio. I'm your host, coffeezilla, the internet
See,
detective.
in the same way that coffeezilla goes, it's a $10 million studio. Is that the same way that like techlead is like, you know, I put $1 million of my own money into this? I don't know. I probably am not. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain a smooth. I don't know. My stream might be down. I hope it's not down. Like in the same. Like is that in like the same vein? I literally don't know.
To begin, let's do a recap on techlead. Bring the board down. While we do, pump Zilla, okay?
Okay.
Look, our shareholders are way up.
No need to do this.
Yeah, this is
We already did the techlead recap. Start of the video. We'll skip this. We already know who he is.
putting money into shell accounts, and 4, he's been running ads in which he lies about this cryptocurrency. Here we have techlead's wallet address, and I want to challenge the claim.
Oh no, techlead.
Million of his own dollars.
Techlead, say it ain't so.
I'm putting $1 million of my own money into this to get it started.
This is a
Oh my gosh.
See, we can see from the blockchain that techlead did not put $1 million into this. In actual fact, he started.
Now, as tech leads, I'm tech lead. I mean, let me cosplay as tech lead's lawyer for a second here. Play devil's advocate. So, if is tech lead, is he saying that he spent $1 million on the development of this coin, or that he put in $1 million into the actual equity of this coin? I don't know.
With the entire supply. This is million token. He was given the entire supply at the very launch. He didn't pay. Instead,
What?
as he sold million token, he used.
I'm not even gonna pretend like I understand crypto, by the way. So it is disclaimer. It is very possible that Techly did like legit scam people. I don't really know anything about like wallets and stuff like that.
Money that you guys bought it with to back the coins. I guess he did learn something from his coverage tether. And you might be asking, how do I know that he didn't use this online? Well, we can see from the blockchain that he only ever bought $50,000 of USDC from Coinbase.
Okay.
Everything else he put into Uniswap.
What is USDC? Is that the stable coin, like the US stable coin? USDC? It's some kind of like US dollar crypto. Is a digital dollar known as stablecoin. It's available 24/7, moves at the internet and moves at internet speed. USDC lives natively on the internet. Okay. Gosh, I wish I understood like crypto more. I'm trying to understand it more because I wanted to build like a D app, but I definitely need to start doing like way more research into this. Upload your dollars. USDC is a digital dollar known as stablecoin. Lives natively on the internet, running on the world's blockchains. USDC can always be exchanged one-to-one cash. Okay. Why not always use USDC then? Also, how can it be exchanged one-to-one cash? Like, is there no cost of exchanging it, I guess? How does that work? Send and exchange money around the world, USDC. Powers apps, provide anytime real access payment and financial services. Okay, as a digital dollar. So, wait, what? How can it always be exchanged one-to-one? It shouldn't cost money to use money. Say goodbye to paying $50 wires and merchant avoid 2.9% fees. Dollars, that makes sense. Okay. There's 43 billion in circulation. So that does that mean the exact value of stablecoin is 43 billion then, right? If it's one-to-one. 1.6 million holders. I mean, this doesn't really say a lot, but okay. That's a lot of transaction. 9.7 trillion. And then 190 countries you can trust. And it's backed by cash and short-dated U.S. treasuries. USDC reserves are held in custody management by leading U.S. financial institutions, including BlackRock, BNY Mellon. Oh, that makes me trust it so much, you know. BlackRock never done anything sketchy. Okay, good. My money's in a safe place. Oh my gosh. All right. Go back to this video. I forgot what I was talking about.
You guys, the buyers, and use that to guarantee the price of the token. In other words, he owns all the million tokens, prices it at $1, and then says, if you redeem this, you own this and redeem it, I'll guarantee you $1. You go to him, you want to buy a million tokens, you have to pay him $1, and if you want to redeem it, he doesn't give you his dollar, he gives you the dollar you just gave him. In other words, he's risking nothing. So in my
What?
mind, this is already horrible. He like objectively lied from the start of this process.
I don't get that.
$1 million of my own money into this to get us started.
Talk about famous last words, but it actually gets worse.
It's funny because Logan Paul said the exact same thing.
Large head compared to the rest of my body, but techlead actually is the one with the really big brain. See, he knows the SEC is watching him, and people like him who are starting these new shitcoins. Which brings us to part 2.
I gotta start a shitcoin.
Avoids calling this an investment, while simultaneously making it sound like you'll get rich. Here's him covering the legal basis, saying, hey, this isn't an investment at all, which is another way of saying it can't be regulated.
Is the token too risky for investment? So million tokens should not be considered an investment by any means.
Wow, if it's not an investment, what could it be?
This
Good
is
question.
a experiment and research simulation.
He calls, wow, he calls his $1 million scam a social experiment. That's funny.
It's kind of a game, right, to see what happens with this.
Wow.
Who's
It's
us?
kind of a game. Kind of game where you buy into it with
At this point, I kind of agree with Coffeezilla. Conclusion soon though. In the next 5 minutes, I'll say whether or not it's a scam. I think.
money, hoping to make more money. Kind of like an investment. I mean, sorry, not an investment, guys. It's an
All right.
Opportunity, and you really have to have strike them.
All right.
.org, which featured TechLead's video shilling it. And what's shocking about this, besides the fact that he's advertising his own channel and this coin, is that he never discloses in the video that he created the coin. Instead, he pitches it as if he just found it randomly.
In fact, what's really been taking all of my attention lately has been the new million cryptocurrency. In the charts, million has continued to dominate,
Wow, that's crazy.
up 60% over 24 hours with heavy volume, $15 million of trading volume.
Guys, I sat through this whole
If that's
video.
real, that's a
All the
lot.
time it makes it sound like, hey guys, I found this coin.
Okay, let's go to an exchange. That's enough of this video. I'm gonna say techlead your coin. I mean, bro, if it's not an outright scam, it looks like you only did it to just try to get money from your viewers, which is unfortunate. But that's not to say I'm gonna stop watching your content. I still think the content is funny. I still think the roasting Coffeezilla video is funny. So I don't know. It didn't take my money. All right, million coin. Let's see. Million price today. Let's see. Price charts, Coinbase. Let's check it. Million token. You can buy it. Should I buy some? Should I buy some million coin on stream? I think you can buy it. Let me check. I'm gonna check really quick on Venmo because you can buy crypto on Venmo. I'm gonna see if I can buy million coin on Venmo, and then if I can, I'm gonna buy. I will buy it. Matter of fact, I'll buy it if it's possible to buy it. I will spend. I think I should have a little bit of money in my Venmo. I will buy million coin live on stream. And then we'll move on to. I'll move on to working with Svelte. All right, let's see. So if you go to in Venmo, there's literally like an entire like crypto section. Yo, I have my crypto portfolio is up. I bought $5 worth of ETH a good amount of time ago. I bought $5.50 worth of ETH, and then it's up to $9. What is it up to? $9.24. Okay, I'll sell $2.17 worth of ETH to buy the crypto. Let me just see how to find it though. So you would have to go to Explore Market. Oh, do they only have 4? Wait, does Venmo only have 4 cryptocurrencies? What cryptocurrencies does Venmo have? Let's see. 8 ways, crypto cash, buy Ethereum, crypto on Venmo. Oh, what a scam. They only have wait, do they only have 4 currencies? That's so dumb. What? Okay, never mind. I can't buy it here. That's unfortunate. So they have understanding your crypto and your taxes. Lame. You can't even buy more. I'm asking to get scammed. You can't even get scammed if you want to. That's crazy. All right. I would have bought it. Honestly, I would have bought it on stream. I could make a Coinbase account quick and buy some, but let's check 1 year. Jeez. I mean, that's rough. Comes in at like $10 and it absolutely tanks. The trading volume on this is so low. It went up for a second. Not really, though. Went up like a couple cents. I don't know. It looks like it does kind of look like he just put a whole bunch of money in there and took it out right away when he had like large control of the market. All-time high was $229. Wait, really? Wait, at what point was it $229? Yo, it was even worse. Oh my God. It actually spiked even higher. Okay, that's crazy. All right. I'm gonna move on to working with Svelte now. In conclusion, techlead coin looking sketchy. Tune in another time. We will buy some million coin or whatever. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna work. Try to wait. Actually, we'll just keep this open. Let's see. Okay. At this point, I'm gonna open the Svelte projects. I think it's just my app. And yeah, I'm just gonna start coding in Svelte and see. Oh, we don't want to do that. I want to do code my app. Yeah, I'm just gonna start testing out my Svelte and seeing like what I can build with it. Hopefully, I can get. I guess I want to figure out maybe Svelte kit. Maybe figure out like the routers and stuff like that would probably be ideal. Let's see. New terminal window. It looks like I guess the local host is still running. The server's still running. Let's see. So here's the app. This is like the Svelte like starter app that you get. It kind of just shows like how reactive it is. What else does it show? Has like an about. Has like a game. Svelte. Can try to play it. Yeah, it's just like literally like the same thing as Wordle. I don't know. What I need to do, I think, is make a new app and then make a new like blank app. So I think I'm gonna do that. So it's no, we need to go up to the desktop, and it's. Oh, we're not gonna find it that way. It's just gonna be. Let's just go to the Svelte website. I think it's like npm at create Svelte app. I think something like that. Should be like a getting started somewhere. Docs. Okay. npm create Svelte app my app. And what app am I gonna make it? I guess I'll make the landing page. Call it landing page. The idea here is to like make like a landing page builder for indie hackers, but I did recently see someone who built like the exact same thing on indie hackers, so I'm like, I kind of feel like maybe that idea again is like kind of same thing as like EasyRat, where there's just like too low barrier to entry and not like a niche enough user base, if that makes sense. I don't know. I really want to get a SaaS project to work. We'll see. All right. Which Svelte template? Okay, so which Svelte template? We want to do... No, not library. Svelte skeleton project. Yeah, let's do the skeleton project. Okay. Use JavaScript. Comments, yes. And then use the linter. No... Yeah, we will use prettier. No testing. And no unit testing. Okay, so... If I just do code landing page, we'll open that up. Okay. Let's see. Where did code landing page? So I think we just do npm install and then that should start it. So npm install. No. Oh, okay, we're not in the directory. Is this my app? So this is landing page. Okay. We should do it here. npm install. And I think it's npm run dev, not npm start. Pretty sure. I'm gonna go get water. I'll be right back. And I'm back. I need to add YouTube chat overlay on Streamlabs. Probably add that to a list of stuff to do later. Let's see. we have component format, script stuff. I'm gonna close this one. So npm run dev I spelled it wrong. npm run dev. So I wonder, I don't really know too much about npm, so I wonder if if there's somehow if run dev maybe runs the unformatted version of the code somehow, if that makes sense. I don't know. Not really sure. I'm curious though. So this is, I guess, the skeleton project. If I open it up here, let's see what it is. Visit kit.svelte. This is svelte kit. Okay. Oh, it doesn't open it in a new tab. Okay. We'll have the docs open there, and then we'll open this on the side. So I guess the goal of this project is the goal of this stream is to probably add Tailwind to this, and then to try to make a basic landing page. Yeah, that would probably be the best way to do it. But I wonder if there's a better way, maybe with just using a template, but I don't know. Let's see. We have Vite plugin. Let me add another terminal window. Okay, did that work? I can't tell. There should be 2 terminals. Hold on. Coding live, always a rough experience. Okay. There's 2 terminals now. Alright, so what else can I do? Welcome to SvelteKit. Visit SvelteKit to read the documentation. So is SvelteKit, is it the library or is it something you bring in? Let's read about it. If you're new to SvelteKit, we recommend checking out the interactive tutorial. If you get stuck, read in the Discord chat room. Oh, there's a Discord. Sweet. I'll probably join that. Is a framework rapidly developing robust performance applications on Svelte. Okay. So server-side rendering, application modding, best practice, building, optimize, offline, supporting, preloading. Okay. Sounds good to me. Alright, so what else can we do? I guess we just start building out the landing page is probably the best way to do it. So I'm just going to go through and read these files and see what the different things are. So favicon icon, that's the icon at the top here, I believe. Right. So we have our source, which has some routes, which is, so this is plus page.svelte, and then an app.typescript file. Okay. Node modules has all our libraries. Static has that. EST-lint ignore. A gitignore file has node modules. The build folder for when we do a build, our env stuff. Prettier. I don't know what prettier does. I should probably look it up. What does prettier JS do? Let's see what it does. Isn't opinionated code formatter with supported prettier takes your code and reprints it from scratch by taking the length into account. Most people are using the prettier. They actually spend a lot of time and mental energy formatting their code. How does it work though? Huh. Okay. Our JSON config file has a whole bunch of random stuff in it. Package lock.json. Okay, our JSON, package.json, our README. Once you've created a project or installed dependency, npm installed, npm run dev, npm rev dev open. Oh, I didn't know that. That's a good one. To create an npm create a production version of your real npm run build, you can preview the production build with npm run preview. Okay. I'm guessing that like you would do like npm run preview, and that would Zaid RL said, "Yo, what's up, Zaid RL?" Crazy, I didn't know it was not Zaid. I always thought it was Zaid IRL, but it's literally Zaid RL. That reminds me of Mir texting me. I actually need to check what he said. 1 second. Okay, bet. I asked him if he had a sled. Crazy, Zaid RL in chat. All right. So I guess like, how do we add another page? That probably seems like a good thing to try to do. Let me just finish reading out like what the last thing is. So we have our. Okay, we have our. So this is our, I guess our basic HTML. I assume this is like the first thing that gets loaded in. Maybe, that could be wrong. That could be wrong though. App.html. So it has a div. It has display contents, and then it says svelte kit.body. What's interesting is that this is like plain text. I probably should just do like the interactive demo that they said to do. Oh, wait. Is this display contents? Welcome to svelte kit. ZRL said LOL. ZRL said W's in the chat. Oh, big W's in the chat. Huge W's in the chat. I think I'm gonna just do the interactive, the svelte tutorial. This is crazy. I never do like tutorials and stuff. I usually just like guess while I'm coding, which is probably not the best way to do it, but I'm gonna try it. Welcome to Svelte tutorial. This will teach you everything you need to know. Build fast and small web applications. What is Svelte? Okay, we already know this. Blah 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 blah. Okay, next. A component that just renders some static markup isn't very interesting. Let's add some data. Okay, first add a script tag of your component and declare a name. Okay, let's do it. So the script tag goes above, I guess, and then this is the app.svelte. So I'm gonna go look in the code and see like where the app.svelte is. Hold on. This is app.svelte? What the heck? Is it in route? Oh, okay. So this must be. Instead of doing it in the actual like tutorial place, I'm just gonna do it here and see what happens. So if we add a script tag, what happens? Script. I'm not getting like my nice like, I don't know, like autocomplete stuff that I'm used to. So can I just add like a normal JavaScript variable? Is that how this works? So yeah, it looks like you just declared his name. I'll do it here actually. 1 second. So script, and we'll do let name equal Bova. Nice. So if I grab name and I do this, is that this syntax? Oh, it is. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's see if it also works in this like example app. So if I go back to VS Code and we just do let name equal test. My thing is like, why am I not getting like the autocomplete? That's what I'm confused about. Like I don't know, it's being weird. Read the documentation. Okay. So if I put test right here, it should just show up. Or name, I mean. Also, will it automatically show up like while or do I have to recompile it? I think I have to recompile it. npm run dev. There's a thing called nodemon that like basically does that for you every time you make an edit. I'm gonna see if there's like a nodemon for Svelte. Because then it should like restart the server every time I make an edit. Svelte Summit Nodemon. Okay, so there's a GitHub page for it. I'll read this really quick. Watch, exit. I don't know if that's right. Let's ask Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. Let's see. All right. Oh, is this the next thing? All right, so skip this. Let's see what Stack Overflow said. NodeMons, backroll, Svelte, and Dino on path. Huh. I should probably join the Discord. All right, at this point, I'm just going to join the Discord, and I think I'll ask. I'll ask in the Discord. So here's the docs. I'm joining the Svelte Discord right now. I'm just doing it on the other screen really quick. There's 6,000 people in here. Sometimes I forget, like, the dev community, like, it seems big, but, like, sometimes it's actually, like, it's smaller than you realize. Like, it is smaller than you realize. Like, if you think about it, like, Google, like, laid off, like, 10K people, and, like, that's actually a small amount. Like, maybe only, like, 1,500 or so would have been actual developers. And, like, out of all the people in the world, like, I think there's only, like, 30 million devs. So, it's actually not, like, the biggest community ever. If you think about, like, I don't know, the other communities you could be part of. Okay. Here's the Svelte stuff. Close it, put the docs up here. Welcome to Svelte. Let's customize your experience. What the heck? I have the Discord app, but I never. Oh, Ibrahim said, how did I end up here? Anyhow, how is it going? It's going good. It's going good. I'm currently getting stuck on Svelte documentation. I can't even get into the Discord. All right, well, all right. I give up. We're not gonna ask the Discord any questions. That's fine. I'll close this. We'll come back to this. That's crazy. How can I not just join the Discord? All right, I'm gonna try one more time. So if I just click Discord chat room, I think maybe it's trying to like open up like accept invite, hit cancel, continue to Discord. Maybe it wants me to like open up the Discord app or something. I don't know. Let's customize. Welcome to Svelte. Let's customize your experience to your responsibly treated. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I have to open it up with the Discord app, but I don't have the app set up yet. So I'll come back to that in a second. All right, back to the tutorial. So the next thing is you can use curly braces. You can use curly braces to control element attributes like source. Let's add source. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. That's true of normal JavaScript, I think. Okay, and I got rickrolled. Bro, they did all that to rickroll us? Okay. So then we add an alt tag, blah, blah, blah. So it makes it... The whole point of the alt tag, I guess, is for people who can't, like... who, like, are blind, I guess, I think is the idea. Okay, whatever. That didn't really help. Oh, you can add a style tag? Okay, just like HTML, you can add a style tag to your components. I gotta say, like, I like this, like, compared to React. It's just like less like bulky. Like React is like the huge like component. Yeah, this is like a huge like component syntax, and this is just like cleaner. Like it's just like your JavaScript, your HTML, and your CSS, in like a really plain way. I think it's like W Svelte for sure. Just like HTML, you can add a style tag, blah blah blah, to your P component. Okay, I'm literally just gonna copy this. I don't know. I feel like they're explaining like pretty straightforward stuff. Oh, not this, not Comic Sans. I'll comment that out. Okay. Comment it out again. L Comic Sans. Import. Okay. Wait, I should try to read this. So, in practical, your entire app to be a single component. Instead, we need to import. Okay, so this is how you have. ZRL said LOL. Yes, LOL. Lol. So it would be impractical to put your entire app in a single component. Instead, we need to import components, other files, and use them as if they're including elements. Okay, that makes sense. So that, yeah, it's same as like other JavaScript frameworks. You're gonna want to like have multiple components like stacked on each other. I guess now the question is like, how do we manage our state? And I think that's where Svelte or the other Svelte library comes in. I'm pretty sure. Now we present two files in order: app.svelte nested. Oh, okay. So here's the second file. This is another paragraph. Okay, makes sense. So we import nested from this value. Okay. And wait, do we have to have a script tag? So put this up here. Oh wait, we didn't get the script tag. So script. Okay, move this up. Okay, delete that. So we import it in the script tag, and then we can call it like that down here. I assume you call it right there. Okay, pretty easy. Hit next. All right. So now we have ordinarily strings are inserted into plain text, meaning characters like that have no special meaning, but sometimes you need to render HTML directly into a component. Wait, what? But sometimes you need to HTML directly into a component. For example, if you're reading right now the exit markdown file that gets included in the blob of HTML. Wait, what is @HTML string? Oh, so the string is the HTML. This is some HTML, strong HTML strong. Okay. So I guess if you were to add this in, what you would get is not this as a string, but you would get this as HTML. Oh, okay. So in that case, I guess the idea is that you can import a component? No, because the component wouldn't... I'm not sure. Wait, I'm not even sure. If I delete this, it just shows like the strong. Okay. I don't know. Nested HTML, I guess maybe it's like a simpler way of doing it instead of like doing the whole thing. This is already designed a familiar process of writing scripts, but there are some points. Okay. Component, but at some point you'll start writing components in the comfort of your own text editor. You'll need to integrate Svelte in the build tool. Okay, Svelte kit. At latest maps. So we did this already. That's that command was for this right here. So that's how we got like the actual like project up. Don't worry if you're relatively new to the web development, you haven't used these tools before. We prepared some simple. Where'd it go? What the heck? Bro, I lost the whole tutorial. All right. My bad, guys. I lost the whole like tutorial. Did I close it? What the heck? All right. I'm so confused. All right, whatever. I'm just gonna go to the interactive tutorial. We'll just hit next a bunch of times. Oh yeah. Ibrahim said, "Are you studying or are you working on a project?" I'm working on a project. So this is not for like my class or anything. The idea is I was gonna build like a landing page. I was gonna build not a landing page. I was gonna build a landing page builder for indie hackers, but I literally found someone on indie hackers today building the exact same thing. So I'm already thinking like, dang, this might be a waste of time, and maybe I should build a different type of business. But I don't know. I'll probably make a whole video on Ibrahim said, "Are you studying or working on a project?" Yeah, I'm just working on a project, but I don't know. This community, indie hackers, I'll probably make a whole video about it. I've been like a part of this. Ibrahim said it redirected. Oh, do you mean like the stream? Oh, I think you're talking about the tutorial. Okay. Ibrahim said the tab that you removed. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. I think. Ibrahim said the tab that you removed. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll probably make a whole video about this community, indie hackers. I've been part of it for a while. It's like online people building like little software businesses. I have a lot to say about them, like I don't know, or about us, because I'm definitely part of it. But like, it's a mix. It's a mixed bag. It's definitely a mixed bag. You have some people that say they make a crazy amount of money on here. How I earn $32K per month. Like, how much is that a year? You can think about it like ZRL said, all right, Malik, I'm gonna go play Rocket League. All right, bro, go play Rocket League. Make sure you stream it too. Stream your Rocket League games. Become the next Kai Cenat. All right, ZRL. Let's see. So, what is total times 32? I don't know. This dude's basically saying he's making what 60. $380K a year. That's a lot. As a freelancer, that's a lot, bro. My question is like, why would you even like? I don't know. It just seems like there's like never any way of like verifying this stuff. So it just seems like, I don't know. There's like a lot of like sketchiness on here, but Zidrell said cap. Yeah, like I would say like there's a lot of like definitely stuff that is just definitely just like cap on here. Not all clients are created equal. Blah blah. It's like, all right, bro. But he could be though. But at the same time, it's like, are you LOL, peace. All right, bro. Peace out. It's just like, are you? Yeah, I don't know. It's just like frustrating, bro. Because like, if you really do like, if you are like interested in business, it just seems like there's so many people like this. Like, build your 6-figure freelance dev business. Blah blah blah. Follow me. Follow my coaching. So I don't know. Like back to like the CoffeeZilla thing. Like this is why I actually do really like CoffeeZilla's comment. Is because he calls out people like this. And I'm not saying bro is like. I'm not saying like this guy's like a scammer. I don't know who this is. I've never taken his course, but it's just like, yeah, there's just so much of this like garbage online that it gets annoying. But I don't know. Maybe he is making that much money. Who knows? Here's my chat. I posted this today. No one got back to me yet, but that's okay. I want to know if anyone's built like a server business before. Ibrahim said it's very doable. I'm in the agency field and it's doable. Ibrahim, I will buy your course right now. No, I'm just kidding. All right. I mean, I believe you. I believe you that it's doable. I'm not. All right, bro. I'm not saying you can't build a large agency. There are hundreds of agencies that bring in millions of dollars. I've been in Minneapolis. Like we have like marketing agencies that bring in millions of dollars. Agencies are like a legit form of business. That's not what I'm saying. I'm talking about people like this who are teaching you how to do business. That's where it gets like, in my opinion, like it gets cringe. Like it gets to a point where it's just like, if you have all of these business skills and you have all of this knowledge, why don't you just like, Ibrahim said the courses are not worth it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. It's just like, if you have all of this like knowledge, why aren't you out just applying it? Why are you spending your time on Twitter asking people to take your course? And I don't know, like there's this dude Mo in my Discord who he's like a really smart dude. He runs like an agency and stuff, and he basically was just explaining to me like, yeah, people do this because this is a great way to make money. Like if you think about all he has to do, you just have to make the course once and then sit back and market it and just sell it, and people will buy it. Especially if you price it like really expensive, like people will buy it. People will spend thousands of dollars on courses if they think that it's going to improve their income. So but it's just like, yeah, it's just endless. I don't know. Clients hire you because they need your expertise, but you keep them because of your humanity. Like the fuck does that even mean, bro? Can someone please tell me what that means? They keep you because of your humanity? What is it? Maya Angelou said, people will forget what you said, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Bro, how does that help me get a freelance developer client? I don't know. CoffeeZilla though, the recap video should be up. I'll try to drop it by like Monday night. I'll probably edit it tonight and stuff, but yeah. Anyways, I got off on a tangent here. Back to Svelte. Let me go back to trying to figure this out. Jeez, but yeah, I don't know. All right, so this is the app.svelte, and this kind of looks like React, where this is like the function, const app, new app, target document.body, props. Okay. I'm going to take a second to actually read this. Next, configure text editor with their plugins for many popular editors. The official VS Code extension. Okay, there's a VS Code extension for Svelte. Svelte for VS Code. What does it do? Remove it, and you probably have an installed Svelte extension by James Brittle. Uninstall it. Okay. This extension comes with bundled formatter for Svelte files. Adjust your VS Code settings. Svelte. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get the Svelte extension. I guess what it does is it adjusts your code. So maybe it'll make it so like this code will have like the nice colors and stuff. I still don't really see why it doesn't. Let me just make sure and see if this. I want to see where the actual like app.svelte is too. I'm really curious about that. Ibrahim said, I got Iman Godzi's course. You bought, which is $1,500. I found a way to get access for free. Oh, okay, bro. I was gonna say, dude, if you spent $1,500 on it, okay, jeez. I found a way to get it for free, their website, and then I reported the bug and got access to the course. Okay, first of all, that's sick. W hacks. I support hacking over here unless you're hacking me. Don't hack me. But dude, that's first of all, that's sick. Like W value. But I feel like I can summarize the whole course in more than a single hour. LMAO. Dude, that's the thing. Like, wait, I didn't know Iman Ghazi was selling a course for $1,500. I'm pretty sure coffeezilla has a video about it. Maybe I'll make a reaction to that video too. coffeezilla. That's crazy. He has a $1,500 course. But yeah, like I was saying though, massive W Ibrahim for getting that for free. Iman Ghazi. Let's see if he has a fake guru, Tyler Lopez. Maybe he talks about him in this. The rise of ultra-rich young YouTubers. All right, no, not this. Why I don't trust Iman Ghazi anymore? Huh. Okay, maybe I'll make a video about this. Wait, now it's $3,000. What the fuck? Now it's $3K? Bro. What? That's crazy, bro. That's like a semester of college at some like state schools. If you after like scholarships and stuff, or not even state schools. I mean to say like 2-year schools. That's crazy. Yo, if you're actually like legit spending that money, like all right, bro. But that's crazy. So what is he's teaching? I assume what is he teaching you, how to like run an agency? I don't know. This one's saying that it's 1K, but that could just be the thumbnail. But here's the crazy thing is a lot of these things like if you look, what does Gideon do? Maybe I'll react to this in a second. I'm curious. I'm getting baited by this thumbnail. The thing is, if you look into like a lot of these like other videos, it's just like, all right, you have your own agenda here, which is you want other people to like, watch your content. How Jordan and Welch really makes his money. They make their money typically with courses. Seems like. Anyways, crazy. Probably liking his own tweet. All right, back to Phil. I got distracted again. By the way, me and my friend Amir, I feel like we were watching Gideon pretty early. Like I think we were around like 80K when he started. So I don't know.
How much better I think y'all did?
I've definitely seen him like grind, like work hard.
But I don't understand it, but I appreciate it so much.
Picture yourself being a YouTuber, trying to grow a channel for over 6 months, putting
Me.
all your waking hours toward creating more content, but not growing at all. Well, that's the story of Gideon. While most people would have given up by then, he pushed through it all and reaped the rewards. Some of you might picture him as a menace to society or the best creator on YouTube, but
He's just really funny.
But his success story is
Well, I'm not saying like just really funny. He is really funny.
not all that straightforward. From getting arrested to being on the brink of getting canceled, he's victory of his life.
Okay, I'm not gonna watch this. This is just like a recap video on like his career. He didn't. Yeah, I don't really know how he got exposed. This is good clickbait though. I don't know. Let's see. All right, back to Svelte. Back to Svelte. Hopefully no more distractions. But the fake gurus keep popping up, bro. I don't know. All right, let's see. So where can I find this? I need to move Twitter. Close indie hackers. Close this fake course. Oh yeah, the VS Code extension. All right. So also I was wondering like where do I find that like app thing? Also, all right. So extensions. Search for Svelte. I do like Svelte though. Like it's nice. So extension pack tree. EMZ said, "Yo, EMZ. Wait, isn't EMZ Mo? I'm pretty sure EMZ is Mo. What's good, Mo? Bro, we were just talking about courses, and like do you remember that Discord call we were on where you basically explaining like how you can make a whole bunch of money from courses? I don't know. I thought it was interesting, but Iman Gadzi, hella finesse guy, bro. Scammer. He's a scammer. All right, is he a scammer? Maybe. I'll probably do a reaction video to him at some point. Iman Gadzi might be a 300 IQ scammer, but what are you building today? I'm building a landing page builder for indie hackers. I think I'm gonna just do that until I think of something better to do. But yeah, we're using Svelte, and I'm building a. Ibrahim said he's building a landing page builder. That's correct. I think. Ibrahim said I think. Yeah, that's right. No, that's correct. But Iman Gadzi, is he a 300 IQ scammer? Maybe. I don't know. Shoot, bro. If he's selling one for 3K, that kind of makes me want to sell a course. Just kidding. I actually would never do that. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. The extension. All right. So, is this the one, though? Why are there only 5K downloads for this one? It must be this one right here with 600K. Svelte for VS Code. Yeah, this is the right one. Bro, yeah, Mo. Okay. See, this is what Mo is saying, guys. So EMZ said, yes, sir. EMZ said courses are 100% profit. This is true. Like, that's the one thing about courses that if you're selling them, like, it's just easy bread. Because think about it. Aman Ghazi, all he has to do is make the course once, and then all he has to do is just repeatedly sell it after that. It's not like a software business where you have bugs and developers and other people to hire. It's all he has to do is just sell once. EMZ said he uses fear marketing. That's true. Like, a lot of them, bro, they make you feel like if you don't watch this now, like, you're missing out. And, like, this is your last opportunity to, like, get rich. Which is just, like... And the truth is, like, yeah, in the business world, like, there are actually moments where, like, you'll straight up miss an opportunity. Like, I feel like I missed an opportunity with EasyRate, but in, like, the personal finance space, you can always be secure. I feel like you can mostly be secure with your money and be like, okay. Ibrahim said he is not a scammer. He got started, to be honest, but thankfully I didn't have money to buy the course. I didn't know. He got started. He's not a scammer. Okay. Ibrahim said he's not a scammer. All right. I'm gonna take your word for it because I haven't watched the course. Like, I haven't watched the course content yet, and I haven't watched like too many of his videos. I think he mostly just makes dropshipping content. So Ibrahim speaks for everyone when he says he's not a scammer, but I don't know, bro. $1,500 for a course is crazy. Like, that's a lot. My friend is and if it's 3K like the other video show, like, that's crazy too. My friend he's doing a software engineering bootcamp right now, where I think he's gonna learn React, and a couple other, I think React, and that's 3K. So if they're the same price, like, I don't know, you would assume that he's at least giving that much value to, like, match up. EMZ said I got induced to agency work from Ty Lopez. I never bought the course, but they're hella unethical. EMZ said just gave me the idea. Yeah, I agree. Like, their courses are pretty unethical. But here's the thing, though. Mo, is like, from what I could tell, like, from what you're doing is, like, you're actually making, like, the difference between, like, you and them is, like, you're actually making, like, TikToks and stuff, or you're actually doing, like, real video editing. So, like, I don't know. I don't think, like, what you're doing is, like, a scam at all. It's actually, like, pretty legit. It's like, actual, like, real value. All right, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's see. Oh, I got into. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say I got into the Swell Discord, but I didn't. All right, hold on. Let me check what chat said. Chat, real twin. Okay, so EMZ said I got into by chat. DC. Just gave me the idea. Ibrahim said at the time it was worth it, but now as other SMMA YouTubers like Charlie Morgan have started posting, Iman has been silent. Wait, are they talking about? Are you saying like Iman has stopped posting about like agency work? Okay, I'm gonna check. Let's see. He said. Okay, so we have. Who is? I want to see who Charlie Morgan is. Charlie Morgan. Get clients in the AI revolution. All right, more. I'm very, very skeptical of people who are hyping up AI, including me. Like, I don't know, bro. It's yeah. All right, get clients in the AI revolution. How to get more SMMA meetings. SMMA is your ticket to financial freedom. This is definitely like giving money guru energy. I don't know. Dirty tricks billionaires use to stay disciplined. Okay. I don't know if Jeff Bezos did anything dirty to get. Mo said do organic TikTok dropshipping. Can confirm this does kind of work, I would say. Iman shut down his agency. Interesting. No shot he did. Okay. Do organic TikTok. TikTok dropshipping like kind of it works, but it's like it's hard to scale. Like I tried like a heat press clothing brand, and he does NFT croquet club thing now. He's deaf, which is deaf a finesse. Yeah, that does sound like a finesse. Yo, Mo, I gotta tell you about this. I might DM you later, bro. I want to try to build a decentralized app. If you know about Mastodon and like apps that are like D apps, I don't know. I was gonna try to build one for rideshare, but I'll let you know about it later. It could be sick. I haven't worked on much. Ibrahim said I haven't worked much because of school, but I believe that in two to three clients I will start getting some clients. Okay, that's sick. Mo, if you do, or Ibrahim, if you do SMMA, bro, tap in. Just if you're in the Discord, message me in Discord. I actually like might need someone to help edit, so I don't know. I could be your first client, bro, unless you already have some clients. In which case, I'll be like your second or third client. Ibrahim said, I have seen that video about AI. He says that with AI, you can make more time for yourself to do more important tasks that will actually make you money. He is a bit clickbaity. Okay. That is really clickbaity. I'm not going to. Oh, that reminds me to actually get ChatGPT for Google on this. I switched to Brave browser for privacy reasons. Somebody add that. I wonder if they have oh wait, I don't think it works for the start page. Yo, they're up to 500k users. That is crazy. I don't think it works for a start page though yet. Maybe I'll contribute to this project. I've never contributed to an open source project, but I want it to work with Google, and I don't think it works with Google yet. I'll come back to this. Mo said tap in the Discord. Yeah, tap in the Discord, bro. You said I have seen the video about AI. Yeah, okay. I don't know. ChatGPT does save you time, like especially for writing. But it gets like a little annoying, and I probably will make a video about this at some point, guys. But like, it just seems like there's. Hold on. Something happened in the Discord. I assume someone just joined. Let's go. Also, the Maki bot actually worked. Wait, who told me to add the Maki bot? Was that Mo? Can you add Maki bot here? That was smart, bro. Adding Maki bot. That was smart. I forgot what I was talking about, but oh yeah. I was talking about, okay, so Easy Write. So the reason all right, so like the thing about like Easy Write and like a lot of like this like ChatGPT hype is 99% of these extensions on this extension store all use GPT-3, and that just means that these are all the same thing. These are all literally the same extension. You're getting nothing. Now, this problem is not just on the Chrome Web Store. It persists in 99% of like AI startups. So copy.ai, for example, if you guys know this tool, when I first found it, this is literally GPT-3. So you're getting like the same AI that you're getting in ChatGPT. You're just paying for it now. So it's kind of all just like a big finesse. Ibrahim said, I just realized we all three have Muslim Arabic names. Yes, that is actually true. I didn't know Mo was oh yeah, I guess Mo is I don't think Malik's is Muslim. My name, oh yeah, no, I'm not Muslim. My name is Muslim though. I don't know. I don't know why I have a Muslim name. I just happen to have one. But yeah. I don't know. Nah, I assume this is Nakos. Yo, buy my course. Head only 3K. Should I maybe for one of the streams I'll buy techlead's course. It's so dumb. How to get a job in tech. I don't know. Whatever. Back to Svelte at some point. Let's see. Malik, let's see. Mo is okay. Nice. For some reason I was gonna guess that Mo, but I don't know. Ibrahim said Malik means king in Arabic. That's a fact. Or Ibrahim said that. Never mind, my bad. But yeah, anyways, like I don't know, this AI stuff is just weird, bro. A lot of it's just the same. Like it's the same models repurposed. If you want to get some different models, you should go to Hugging Face, or if you want to train your own model, go to Hugging Face. This would be sick to build something like this, but I'm just gonna make my dumb landing page builder until I can figure out how to do something like this. But yeah, so you can get some different models like this way. There's also another idea for like a business that I had is there's a website called Rapid API, and you basically can train up all these models. So there's all these extensions, all these businesses popping up using AI models. Well, I was thinking like maybe I can make an API, just like my Chrome extension. Instead of building the actual extension, just make an API for an AI model, and then people just pay you to call your API. I don't know. Let me see. So if you go to Rapid API, I'll show you guys like the API hub. This could be a good business, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, so you get like flight data, like there's all these like different APIs in here. So I was thinking maybe make an AI one and then post it on here. Something like that. Mo said is Svelte a framework? I've heard of it, but I've never looked into it. Yeah, Svelte is a framework. It's the next most hyped up framework after Next.js. Like I would say like Svelte is like the top tier of like hyped up frameworks. Then Next.js is the most hyped up framework. Then React is the next most hyped up framework, I think in that order. But and it's also crazy. Like it doesn't really look anything like it doesn't really look anything like oh, let's see if the Svelte thing helped. Oh, yes. Okay, yeah. Look. Now the Svelte document is like it looks way better. But yeah, you just have like your script tag, your H1 tag. So it's almost like it's written in like plain JavaScript. Mo said, Malik, we can actually tap into a business and go 50-50. I had an idea. I have like 100,000 ideas. Bro, let's go 50-50. I'm actually down. Unless it's not 50-50 work. If it's like you do more work, then we can do something like 75-25 or whatever. But I am down, bro. Tap in the Discord. Just send me the ideas. We can find something. Mo said I've heard of it, but I've never looked into it. Okay, that makes sense. All right, let's see. What would be okay? Here's what would be actually insane if we had like a whole like business run by people in the Discord. That would be insane. The Discord takes over. Dude, that shit would be fire. They would. I don't know. All right. Let's see. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Back to Svelte. All right, I think I'm actually I'm gonna have to end the stream here. I'm getting pretty tired because I've been like streaming for like an hour and a half. But if you're watching the recap video, join the Discord. By the way, I will be attempting my first 12-hour, attempting my first 12-hour stream on Friday. This will be the 4th attempt at a 12-hour stream, so hopefully this is the one that actually like goes right. Wait, Mo said I was thinking about making a family tree photo album app where you save your photos for future generations. That would be really interesting. If you could save it on the blockchain so it can't get deleted, that would be crazy. Like if you could save it to your crypto wallet, so instead of it being like a Web3 app, I don't know. That's interesting though. All right. Anyways, that being said, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to techlead, subscribe to coffeezilla, and buy my course.